How to fix MySQL shutdown unexpectedly error. Hello everybody, if you are having that kind of error, you may follow up this method in order to fix it. So for that, once you open up desktop, you need to go ahead and open up your task manager. Open up your task manager by using the search bar, and from these given options under this processes, you need to go ahead and look out for the option. Before that, you may scroll down and head over to M section and look out for this section option called MySQL. So just go ahead and search for this one right here. I don't have that, but if you have that, all you gotta do is right click on it after you locate it up and end the task. Just go ahead and end the task. This is something you can do. After you have done that, after you have ended the task, you can also go ahead and open up your XAMPP control panel and then go ahead and start it again and click on start. After that is done, what you can do is another method. Open up your command prompt, open it up. Run it as administrator first. And then here, right under this section, go ahead and type in sfc /scan and scan now and hit enter. And it should start scanning and help you resolve your issue. So this is one of the methods. Just go ahead and do that. Also restart your device after that to see if that fixes your issue or not. So that's it for now. You may follow up this two method in order to fix it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.